Hi parents, today in reading and language arts we went back over the story we read yesterday, Animals, Tools for Survival, and we talked about comparing and contrasting in the story, and there's some key words in there that helped us understand comparing and contrasting. Lots of times when they compared things they used the word like, but contrasting we found that they used the words different, unlike, other, and the same. We used this as our key to go in and highlight those words in our text and even in the captions that went with some of the pictures. So your students' books should look like this. We did all this together. We talked about the text feature of graphs and how a graphic organizer such as a graph is an easy way for us to find information. And that's a key place to go to when we're trying to find specific things. All of this information is in the text, but organizing it in this graphic feature really helps us find very quickly who has whiskers and how those whiskers are an adaptation. So we talked about the key features of graphs and how charts, and we always want to look back at those charts to help us. We also read The Remarkable Teeth of a Shark. Again, we talked about how that keyword or gives us that apposition where the definition of a word happens right before or after the word. So we highlighted the unknown word, and then, oh yes, it says or kinds. Kinds tells us that that's what species means. And then we identified what carnivores mean because it came in context clues. They feed on fish and other marine animals. And one of our students pointed out, well, that's kind of a meat, so carnivores are meat eaters. And then we annotated all the key details, and then the students wrote their own summary. I didn't write one in. I just started with my topic sentence. They started with their own topic sentence. It may or may not be like mine. And they wrote in a summary of what we read here using the important information that we annotated from the text. And that's what they did in language arts today. In the math video today, I forgot to write down or show our homework planner. So here is our homework planner for today. This is what they had as part of their afternoon assignments. They've been working on a narrative all week in class, and it looks like a piece of paper like this. They've been building their topic sentences. Yesterday they worked on their conclusion and filling in between, and then this is mine of course, but they should have their own copy of a narrative that they're going to be ready to type tomorrow in class as part of one of our in-class assignments. And that's it today for language arts.